Hi everybody, my name is Amber Bramlett and I am your instructor for Introduction to Teaching for Spring 2021. This is just an introductory video to lead you through this course and to help you better navigate it. Let's go through it real fast, and if you have any questions you can always email me or give me a call. I am readily available, most usually 8 to 5 on Monday through Friday. I don't always answer emails on the weekend because that is my time with my sons. However, if you have something going on with an assignment, then if you can get me your question or whatever on Friday of that week, then I'll get it answered before the weekend starts. Okay, so just to kind of look at what we have here. This is an introduction to the teaching profession. Just to tell you a little bit about myself, I taught in the public school system for about a decade before I started teaching at ASU BB. This is my third year as an instructor of education here. This is a class that requires observations. However, due to COVID-19, we have had to make changes to those requirements, and instead you will be watching videos. There are several videos that are available to you to watch over the course of this semester, and you will be writing your observation reflections from those videos. It is a time-consuming process to watch the videos, and so you need to make you just kind of need to make an effort to start that early, to watch a few videos each week, so you will be done with them by the time the semester ends. Again, those videos are taking the place of our regular observations that we usually do. And again, I apologize that you guys are not going to get to do the in-class observations. We're hoping that we will have those again in the fall of 2021, but again, with the pandemic, we take it one day at a time. As far as your portfolio, you do have to create a portfolio for this class, and the portfolio is made through Google. Now, we use Google Sites and Google Drive. So the first thing you need to do this week is to make sure you have a Gmail account. If you don't, they're free, and you can go to google.com and make your own Gmail account. I do have a video that shows how to use the Google Suite, and I will show you that in just a second. Ooh, I have like yawns. You can tell I've made lots of videos today. All right, so due to COVID, we are also not going to specifically, we're not going to do our community service project in the way that we have in the past. I have an alternative assignment for you to complete if you cannot leave your home or do a public service activity safely. And the public service activities are not due till later on in the semester, but I wanted to make you aware of that change as well. All right. A few other things. This class runs off of modules and announcements, and most usually I try to get those announcements to you on a Monday or Tuesday. All assignments are due on Tuesdays this semester. That is a change from my courses in prior semesters when I had a Monday deadline. I have moved it to Tuesday for several reasons, but one of them is so I can have more time to help you guys through some of the assignments that you're having difficulty with. And with Sunday night deadlines, I didn't work because a lot of you were waiting till the weekend to get your stuff done. And Monday night helped. So I think having everything due on Tuesday will be beneficial for everyone. We'll make sure everyone can talk to me when they're stuck, and they don't have to just work all weekend for something due on Sunday night. So that is why I've chosen Tuesday as my due date. All right, plagiarism. That's a really big thing, and I think some people do not take it that seriously. If you copy and paste information from another source and it's not your written words, it is plagiarism. There are different types of plagiarism, and we have examples of that in this website that I've put right here. As far as late work goes, I do have a little bit of a cushion, and you will notice that in the modules. However, when your work is submitted late, you do have point deduction, and it usually starts at about 10%. So just bear in mind that there is a cushion where you can still turn things in, but you will lose points for every day that it's late. All right, so where are you, Miss Bramlett? As I said, I try to be as available as I can be during the course of the semester, but I am a mom with two kids, and so, I find myself sometimes running after them. So on the weekends, I'm not as accessible. But if you will email me or call me and leave a message, I will get back to you as soon as I can. Um, Under no circumstances do you email assignments to me, because there is not a guarantee that I will get them. Okay, I get a lot of emails every day, and when you email assignments, it kind of puts an extra bit of confusion to the process of turning things in. So I only accept it through Canvas. Now, as you'll notice, I ask you to save a copy in your Google Drive folder. I do that so you can create your Google site, and I will be able to see those assignments and those projects on the site. If you don't have them saved in your Google Drive folder, they're not visible to me on the site. That probably doesn't make any sense right now, and that's okay. But once you start working on your Google Drive folder and your website, it will make a lot of sense. All right, I also have a course calendar for you here that talks about what is happening, what week, and what to expect. Again, you do have an introductory journal assignment, and then 6 other observation journals that will be due throughout the course. I have spread them out. In the past, in Intro to Teaching, the observation journals have been due at the end. I just don't feel like that is an optimal way to do this, so I am going to separate them out throughout the course of the semester so you can concentrate on one at a time, and I can help you develop that essay one at a time. And of course, by essay, I mean you are to write a 2-page paper on each of the topics related to education that we talk about in the course and that you observe in the videos. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the modules. Again, modules is the easiest way to navigate this course. You just click on modules to the left, and if you can look and see, I have our assignments, and they are all organized, starting with Module 1, where you have a student introduction, and then your autobiography assignment. Now, the autobiography assignment is just like it sounds. I just want to know about you. I want to know what brought you to education, why you want to be a teacher, and what you hope to accomplish through your studies in education. One more thing, I will have announcements weekly. Please read every announcement, because there's usually important information and videos that you need to watch for that particular week. So please do not fail to look at the announcements every week. All right, so that's basically a rundown of this course. It is heavy on observation. Like I said, video observation. So you do need to keep up with it as best you can. Start watching those observation videos soon. As far as your portfolio, if that makes you nervous, understand that I am here to help you, and I can do a one-on-one Zoom and help you get your portfolio set up. So don't let that scare you, because we will get that done. We start working on that day 1, and it will be done, and it will look great by the end of the semester. So I wish you a great spring semester, and if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call me.